we have claiming to do, and we gotta go and utilize the money that I didn't even know we had from this airdrop. So we'll say we jump straight onto the laptop, and yes, we are going to be looking at Caldera. Now, some of you could have already claimed it, some of you could have missed it because I've not seen a lot around. So make sure to go and claim it. And as we see here, I got a total of 450 ERA. And simply go to the page down below, click on claim, connect your wallet, click on accept, and you will have it in your Ethereum mainnet. So it is on the Ethereum chain and you will have it in your MetaMask on Ethereum. I have already gone and sell it, and I did receive about a $300 allocation. So let me know your allocation down below. But with that allocation, what do I suggest you to do? Well, you can go over to Breakout right here. And Breakout, what is it? Breakout is a prop firm for crypto that gives you the possibility to go and trade with an account of $100,000 right here. As you see, I've got 3 open trades. I will sell the link profit, which I do have open, and I will keep on these 2 positions, which I do not have. But essentially, it is very simple. You have a $100,000 account, and this is my account as we see the dashboard. And how do you evaluate? How do you go and participate? Well, use the link that you see on the screen right now. The link will be down below, and you can go and buy an account with $5,000, $10,000, $25,000, $50,000, or $100,000. And as we see over here, with my allocation, for example, the $300 I received from Caldera, I could have gone and bought an account with $25,000. This means that you are trading, instead of $300, if you want to go and trade, you can trade with $25,000. And guess what? 10% profit on $25,000 is $2,500. A 10% profit on $300 is $30. So you see why it is way better. The link will be down below. You have a 2-step evaluation to keep this for you. And as we see here, prices are even cheaper if you do it the 2 steps. Basically, all you gotta do is prove them that you can make some profit and don't lose too much money. And then you will have the possibility to go and have an account with $100,000 and trade with it just like I'm doing now. So the link will be down below. You get a discount with my code, and that is one good way to go and put your airdrop money to good use. Buy an account with $100,000, $50,000, $25,000, go and trade, make even more money, and then you are set. Talking about making money, I also have a $50 deposit bonus for you. So all you gotta do is with BingX, you can go and sign up. And by the way, you get a $50 bonus. As we see here, I did utilize my $50 bonus, and the $50 bonus that you will get, they are not withdrawable, yet you can trade with them. And as we see here, from $50, I made $15, I made $4.49, I made $4.18 for a total of $23. Now, $23, they came out of a $50 bonuses, and that is that simple. So link will be down below to join BingX as well. And this, by the way, it's a exchange, so make sure to go and sign up, do your goodies, and go and trade with them. I am partnered with them, and that's why I'm able to bring you the $50 bonus, so make sure to go and sign up. I'm still partnered with ZoomX, absolutely yes. I still love ZoomX, I love BingX, and they provided $50 for you free over here, and I got a $30 deposit bonus and a 50% cashback on ZoomX. So I got you covered everywhere you want to trade. Either on BingX you get $50 off, or on ZoomX you get $30 off plus a 50% deposit. Or with the money that you do from Caldera, you can either go and put it into Breakout, so utilize a prop firm account with $100,000 to go and trade, or simply go and trade them over on BingX with your deposit, you get a $50 bonus, or on ZoomX with your deposit of $300, let's say you got from Caldera, you get a $30 bonus plus a 50% cashback. So you get $150 in bonus trading as well. So, or use both and get both bonuses and trade both. Trade better, trade more. Easy. One goes long, one goes short. You're covered on both sides and you make money. So make sure to go and utilize them. Next up, we got a Trust.ai airdrop. As we see over here, go to the Trust Go page right now and go and set up all the attestation. Do as much as you can. I believe I got 60 coins right here for the each trust point. And as we see over here, the Live Trust Festival, as we see 30 TA for 400 users each. And you can join the lucky draw. Very, very simple by the page that I will give you below. There's step 1, step 2, etc. And that is how you do it. So simply go and do it. The link will be down below. And yes, one good thing, by the way, interesting, is the Owlto token airdrop. As we see right here, Trust X Owlto airdrop. Enjoy seamless cross-border transfer with Owlto Finance. 50,000 Owlto token. So the Owlto airdrop is coming soon, But more on that, we'll go and talk about it in tomorrow's video with Owlto. But if you are, as you see here, if you are looking at this video, congratulations, you're not like one of those who just skip through the video and lose the important information. Then I will leave you the Owlto link down below. All you gotta do is simply go and trade. And I would suggest it to simply do it because the airdrop is coming soon. Probably this means the snapshot is not yet taken. So simply go here, go to the bridge and go and do your swaps and your bridging, get the points. Because as we see here, if we go and connect our MetaMask wallet, for example, then we do have a point system which is still running. You still got the possibility to do it, so make sure to go and do it. Very, very important. But we'll talk about this tomorrow. Next up, we have the Linea tokenomics has been leaked, and this doesn't seem to be from a exchange. And one curious, like, it doesn't seem to be fake. Why? Because it came just from BingX official, which we are partnered with. So some juicy stuff also for Linea is gonna come over to BingX. And here it says this one. Now, the upcoming Linea token is the curricle, blah, blah, blah. Governance holders can vote. Stacking by staking the Linea, users may earn rewards. Fee discounts, users who pay with or hold Linea will enjoy reduced transaction, ecosystem incentives, etc. Here's the initial 1 trillion Linea tokens will be allocated to the governance. 33% of supply distributed at launch. Now, I doubt it's going to be 1 trillion token. That's already feels off. And we do have from Declan here, this is completely fake news. Now, Declan is the CEO. Yet, I don't know. If a CEO starts posting and saying it's fake, this and that, etc., then is it something just to try and hide it? But nonetheless, so far it looks a bit fake and a bit suspicious. So the Linea airdrop could happen there. There's many speculation that go around the XP rewards and all of this. So as of right now, the Linea airdrop claiming is definitely not happening, but we will see it. Yeah, there are a lot of things going around, so please, please, please be. Currently, if you are watching this video, go to Invariant and participate in the pre-sale. So if you did utilize the protocol, they have a pre-sale going on, and they already sold out $150,000 in 10 minutes, and now we are at the phase 2 that goes up until $300,000. And why do you need to participate earlier than others? So the early birds, which sold out in 10 minutes, bought the token at 1 cent. The phase 2 is the at 1.3 cent, as we're able to go and see here. Phase 3 will be at 1.5 cent, and then the open phase at 1.7 cent. So if you have the possibility to go, simply go to the Invariant page right here, go to the pre-sale and check if you qualify for the sale. If you utilize the protocol, if you did farm points, if you did get the points, then you are able to go and also deposit. As you see here, I don't have any USDC because all of the USDCs are implemented in Astral, always on Eclipse. So I will go and take a few out and go and participate on the pre-sale right here. But if you're looking at it, go now. It's going fast. The first one went in 10 minutes. The phase 2 right now, as we see here, the evolution is going a little bit slower as it is normal. Everybody want to jump in now, but the phase 2 is still, if this sells, for example, at 2 cents, you're already about 70% in profit when the tokens goes out. So make sure to go and check it. Make sure to go and grab it. And do not fade the pre-sale. If you're an Eclipse supporter, if you do support Invariant, as we see here, I got the points. I'm still collecting points on a daily. As we see right here, a little bit lower than before, but still good points. And yeah, go and participate. Be careful with it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.